Hello friends, welcome. Grab your coffee and let's get down to business. Let's dive into the language of native English idioms relating to sport and problems. The whole 9 yards. Everything / the full amount. Example. He went the whole 9 yards. Cake, balloons, live band for her birthday. Drop the gloves. Start fighting / stop holding back. Example. When he insulted her, she dropped the gloves and argued back. Hat trick. 3 consecutive successes. Example. She scored a hat trick, 3 promotions in 3 years. On the ropes. Near defeat / in serious trouble. Example. After losing 2 key clients, the company is on the ropes. Saved by the bell. Rescued at the last possible moment. Example. I was about to fail, but the fire alarm saved me by the bell. Below the belt. Unfair / hitting where it hurts. Example. Bringing up his divorce in the meeting was below the belt. Couldn't hit the broadside of a barn. Very inaccurate / poor aim. Example. He can't aim. He couldn't hit the broadside of a barn. Play the man, not the ball. Attack the person rather than the issue. Example. She attacked his character instead of his argument, playing the man, not the ball. Take your eye off the ball. Lose focus on what matters. Example. We lost the contract because I took my eye off the ball. Play it by ear. Improvise / decide as you go. Example. Not sure what to do. Let's play it by ear. Get off my back. Stop nagging / leave me alone. Example. I'll finish it soon. Get off my back. Keep an eye on monitor / watch carefully. Example. Could you keep an eye on my bag? Give a hand. Help someone. Example. Give me a hand with this heavy box. Lend an ear. Listen attentively to someone. Example. I'm struggling. Can you lend an ear? Turn a blind eye. Deliberately ignore something. Example. The guard turned a blind eye to the late arrivals. That is all, folks. Keep watching and keep learning. And in case I don't see you, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.